Hello viewers, welcome to Fantasy Factory. We're coming with another video. So, ready to know about an interesting fact, and let's start with the video. Did you know why does attraction happen? In this video, we know about 6 psychological facts about attraction. First of all, girls like to talk dirty as much as boys. And the second fact is saying I love you has more effect when spoken in the left ear. And an important fact is women are automatically attracted to those who try to start a conversation with them. Making eye contact with a stranger can promote attraction and intimacy. People like to be happy people, and so happy people are attractive. And another important fact is your dress has a different effect on your mood. So be well dressed and be more happy. Thank you everyone, and if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe.